How to factory reset Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to factory reset Android phone. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch your phone's settings. Now scroll down and select Adista settings. Scroll down again and then navigate to backup and reset option. Now tap reset phone and then tap erase all data. Enter your login screen password. After that, you need to tap erase data, and after that, your factory reset on Android phone will be completely and successfully done. That's how we do it. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and then see you in the next video.